Hello and welcome to this video series on Git Kraken. Git Kraken is a GUI tool for using Git, and I'm using this tool and I'm really happy with this. So I would like to share this with you all. My name is Mohammed and I will walk you through how we can use it. In this introductory video, we will talk about the topics we're going to cover in this video series and what are our target audience. So the topics we're going to cover, and before going towards the topics we're going to cover, we have some prerequisites. I am assuming that you have some basic knowledge of Git and you also know how we can use some basic Git commands like git config, git add, git commit, git status, git branch, git checkout, merge, and push. Because I'm not going to cover these things in detail, rather I will use the Git Kraken tool, and Git Kraken tool will use these commands at the back. So it is necessary that you must know about Git. Some basic information is necessary to use this video series. So what we're going to do, we're going to initialize the repository. We're going to commit some files. We will amend some commits, squash commit. We will create and merge branches locally, and then we will push to the remote repository. Now, what are our target audience? Students are the main target audience, and they can learn a lot from this. Junior developers who are still in junior positions, and they can understand the working of Git with this tool. DevOps professionals can also use this video series, and they can also learn a lot about this, and this will be a helpful tool for them as well. For senior developers, mostly senior developers use the integrated Git with the IDE. For example, if they are using IntelliJ, NetBeans, or Eclipse. So in all these IDEs, they have the plugins for using Git, and senior developers mostly use the Git plugin. But this GUI tool is more interactive, it's more easy to use, and it's more expressive than the IDE. Business analyst, it's also very helpful for the business analyst and technical project manager. So that's it, and I will see you in next video.